Today we are here to highlight the key achievement of the Ministry of Ayush in its first 100 days, as Dr. Arvind has introduced. So Ministry of Ayush has made remarkable progress in promoting and strengthening Indian medicine systems at the global level. A donor agreement was signed by the Ministry of Ayush and World Health Organization on 31st July at the WHO headquarters, Geneva. This agreement demonstrates India's dedication to working with international health organizations and improving the integration of Ayush system into the global healthcare system. The collaboration seeks to provide evidence-based traditional medicine with a stronger foundation. India and Vietnam inked a memorandum of understanding for cooperation in medicinal plants on 1st August in presence of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. Ministry of Ayush National Medicinal Plants Board will collaborate with Vietnam's Traditional Medicine Administration for sharing of information, resources and research in this area. India and Malaysia signed an MOU to promote research, knowledge sharing and drafting of treatment regimes of Ayurveda. As a part of this MOU, an Ayurveda chair was established and now it has been operationalized at the University Tunku Abdul Rahman. Ministry of Ayush has undertaken initiatives to ensure quality of its services and products across the country. On 6th August 2024, the Pharmacopoeia Commission for Indian Medicine and Homeopathy, PCIMNH, and the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, IPC, signed a historic MOU to carry out One Herb, One Standard initiative with an objective to improve the Ayush medicine quality, hence ensuring the safety and efficacy as well. The grant easy access to Ayush medicines. On 26 August 2024, Ministry of Ayush announced the opening of special medicinal stores at tehsil level. To guarantee easy access to Ayush medicines, as I've said, under National Ayush Mission, National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers, NABH, has evaluated 1,489 Ayushman Arogya Mandir, of which 1,005 have been certified for Ayush entry-level certification. To promote the uses of Ayush systems by the public, the Ministry of Ayush launched few campaigns. First, to increasing the community level access and involvement of Ayurveda in yoga, Ministry of Ayush initiated the Har Ghar Ayur Yoga campaign. Yoga has been included in the Fit India School certification. Bharat Ka Prakriti Parikshan Abhiyan to be one at the core of initiative and the broad roadmap to involve stakeholders across the country has been prepared. A special Prakriti Parikshan drive has also been initiated for the citizens of India. Second, in a massive outreach effort to meet the healthcare needs of the elderly around the country, Ministry of Ayush aimed to organize 10,000 Ayush geriatric health camps within the time frame of 100 days. Beating the target, a total of 14,692 camps were organized. Pre-health checkup, consultation, medicine and Ayush advocacies were offered during these camps. Number 3, Ministry of Ayush has convened a meeting to incorporate Ayurvedic treatment packages under Ayushman Bharat, that is Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, to streamline it with mainstream healthcare. For this, about 170 packages have been finalized, and this number can further increase as per the public requirement. To finalize cost structures and guarantee the affordability of Ayush state treatments under the regime, a strategic purchasing committee has been established. To strengthen research and education, Ministry of Ayush has founded 5 new centers of excellence in partnership with esteemed establishments like Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi, Tata Memorial Cancer Hospital, Mumbai, JNU, New Delhi. And these centers would concentrate on cutting-edge traditional medicine research, teaching, and healthcare innovations. To further foster Ayurvedic research, treatment, and training, phase 2 project of All India Ayurveda Institute, New Delhi, has been initiated. It will incorporate 194 bedded hospital, Ayurvedic sports medicine complex, Panchkarma units, etc. The National Institute of Ayurveda coming up in Panchkula, Haryana, with a 294.91 crore investment. This institute will function as a top-tier teaching and research facility with a 250-bed hospital, an undergraduate, graduate, and doctorate program in Ayurveda. The preliminary process for establishing 3 Central Research Institute for Yoga and Neuropathy in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh have been completed. With this, I thank all the viewers and all the media friends for giving us to express the achievement of 100 days activity of Ministry of Ayush in India. Thank you all.